Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here to talk to you face to face in person, and this is just sort of a recap video of 2024 and what to expect in 2025. And let's just jump right into it. So basically in 2024 I started my own country diary while I was on maternity leave with my son. There were some highs and lows of 2024, but I did end up managing to create a beautiful country diary, and I just have 3 pages left to complete. It is December right now, so we're wrapping up 2024. So I'm looking forward to sharing those with you soon. And I'm so happy to say that I had over 2,000 new subscribers in 2024, and I'm super excited to continue growing this community and channel in 2025. And what you can expect in 2025 is more nature journaling content and more sort of botanical painting style content. And this is Frodo Baggins, if you haven't met him yet. He likes to interrupt all my videos, so why would he not interrupt this one as well? Oh goodness, there he is. He's a tired little kitty. Anyway, let's get back to it. I did my pages in 2024 because I wasn't working. I could paint while my son was sleeping or napping. I do also work for an environmental tech company now. I'm back at work. He's in daycare. Things are pretty busy. So I'm trying to pivot in a way that I can still create content and share it with you and keep my sanity and be a good mom. So instead of creating multiple pages, what I'm going to do is create a double spread each month of a featured native plant. Most of the plants are based here in Pacific Northwest, but a lot of them can be found throughout North America or something very similar, even probably in Europe. So I'm really excited to take all of the skills that I have learned putting this country diary together and kind of hone and polish them and present this to you. And with this featured plant that I'll be doing each month, I'll be creating a blog article that will tell you more about the plant and show you all of the illustrations and drawings. And it'll be more like a plant information, botany type based article with maybe some nature journaling tips. And my YouTube videos will be focusing on tips for nature journaling and how you can create, beautiful, pleasing botanical paintings in your nature journal without taking a lot of time. So similar content to what I've been posting this past year, but instead of just sort of like a tour talking video about it, I'm just going to focus on showing you my new work, but showing you some footage of my painting and turning those into actionable tips for you to use in your own practice as well. And then with that featured plant as well, if you are a member of my online school, the Watercolor Garden, there'll be a little seasonal painting lesson each month for you as well. I do post in the Watercolor Garden every month new resources or video lessons. So that's where you can get access to my full-length content. So those are real-time classes with full voiceover or talking instruction and all of the colors that I mix and everything broken down. If you really want to learn my approach to painting, the 3-step method, my sort of 5-part framework to approaching botanical painting, all of it is documented and shared there. So if you want to know more about the Watercolor Garden, you can check the video description below. If you're not ready to sign up for like a paid learning program or school, I also have 2 really amazing free resources. I have a free How to Paint a Wild Rose class, which is full length and shows you everything that you can access. Again, just sign up the link below. And then I also just have like a PDF guide if you don't have time to watch a class. It's just something that you can download or print off at home and look at and read at your own leisure. And it has lots of pictures and descriptions. So all of that is in the video description below. And I have a new sketchbook that I'll be showing you in January as well, which I'm really excited about. I can't show it to you right now because I'm actually getting it for Christmas from my husband. So I don't have it yet, but it's like a binder, but it kind of looks like a sketchbook, but you can clip the pages in and out, and I'll be cutting my own pages. It also comes with watercolor paper, so I'm going to try that out, but not hold my breath for the quality of it. But I can cut my own pages to the same size, so use whatever paper I want, which is really exciting. And anyway, I'm looking forward to sharing that with you, and that's going to be what houses all of my work for 2025. So stay tuned for that in 2025. And of course, it is still December, so I will be posting the December Country Diary update soon on this channel as well once I'm finished these pages. And I hope that you have a wonderful, happy holiday.